So here's my forest, big forest, and we're going on a big walk. Yeah, big.
In the haunted forest
Yeah, the haunted forest we call it because we see skinwalkers
and stuff.
Yes, yeah,
Skinwalkers, please do take our YouTube video down.
yeah, or bingeling us.
Yeah. So first we're going to go in the creepy cave.
Oh hell no, man.
This is way creepier at night.
Yeah, or like at 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, the bingeling.
We should make another video at 6 o'clock. Which way should we go in? This way or that way? I think we should go this way. It's more creepier. Wait. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa, I haven't seen this place. Whoa, guys.
Okay, go down for there and just this.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Go down here. We're going down here now.
Whoa. This branch is getting in the way.
I will. We've made it down.
Jeez.
This is the spot I was talking about where we could.
Look at this spot.
Look at this lovely spot here. Lovely.
The field over there.
Yeah.
Where's the bath with tadpoles in it?
That's
Whoa,
not
look
here.
at this.
Whoa, that's some weird type of dirt. Let's go. Keep on exploring.
Yeah, you go up first.
Yeah.
Oh,
Stick.
found a big stick. Oh, look at the mirror.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
This mare, bro. Yeah,
Oh,
this mare.
Holy Mary. Ah! Why did I say that? I'm sorry, gods.
Oh, at least you didn't say it 3 times.
Yeah, but you meant to say the B, not the
Bloody.
H. Stop! Rain, we're fine. We don't want to end the video this time. Look at this.
Nice.
Huts.
What should we do?
What the heck was that?
Did you hear that big noise? It went like boom.
That's fine.
Yeah, let's keep on exploring.
We still have evidence. Bob the Builder was here. Didn't come back.
Yeah, Bob the Builder. I don't think he had a long journey to do something in here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh no, creepy neighbor. That creepy neighbor over there gives us ice cream every time we walk by. Be quiet, Ryan. Jeez, I don't trust this way. I don't trust this way. There's broken logs. Oh, Ryan, where are you going?
shovel of Bob the Builder didn't last very long.
How did you get over here?
Yeah. Did Bob the Builder bring it with him
Whoa.
on his journey?
20%.
Okay. Okay, let's keep on going.
We might have to end it soon. But not really. What? Yeah, 3 minutes. Hey, let's go back this way.
Yeah.
This creepy way. Do you see that?
What the? Do you see that?
Wait, I'm gonna zoom in. What the? What the?
See that black thing there? Let's keep on going this way.
I'm gonna go the back way.
Huh?
I'm gonna go the back way.
Back? Why?
Cause
No. Oh,
this
no.
is where we saw a buggy with the doll in it and then disappeared.
Yeah. No way we're going through here.
Here we are.
Oh, great.
Just hear someone this way. I don't like. Ah! Oh God!
That's why you never trust that the back entrance.
Jeez, I'm going to see if I can see anything. What's that?
Chia batas. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
Yeah, I'm gonna go at the start again.
Yeah, let's go back to the start to see.
Fire.
Let's go through the forest to go to the start.
Yeah.
No field run. There's the front entrance to the little jungle cave.
Yeah, the
Which-
back way.
Yeah, the back way's more tricky. So there's a bunch of vines, so that's why we don't want to go through there.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of noises happens when we go back there.
Here's a leg. And here's the. I think there's a leg of a.
Bat.
Yeah.
The Halloween bat.
Yeah, it was the Halloween bat.
How did it break though?
I don't know. It got just caught. Something ripped it.
Jeez, that's weird. Oh, no. Someone was fishing.
Oh, there's the net. Now we have the net back.
Yay, we can defend ourselves.
Yeah, and we can get the ball out of the river now.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So we end it.
I think it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone.
There's a quad over there. Bye.
Bye.
See you sometime. Bye. This is 6 minutes long.